This new Gemini update is crazy. Google just made AI search better than Google Maps. You can now see photos, ratings, and reviews inside the AI. No more switching apps. This changes everything for local search. Let me show you exactly how it works. Okay, so Google just dropped something massive with Gemini. And I mean massive, this is not some small update. This is the kind of thing that changes how you find places forever. So Gemini can now show you local search results with full visuals from Google Maps. That means when you ask about restaurants or coffee shops or anything near you, it does not just give you text anymore. It shows you an interactive map first, it shows you photos of the places, it shows you star ratings and reviews right there in the Gemini response, and it pulls all this info directly from Google Maps without you leaving the app. This is wild. Let me break down what changed here. Before this update, when you asked Gemini about local places, you got mostly text, maybe a basic map with some pins, that was it. Now Gemini results look like Google Maps itself. You get visual cards, you get icons, you get photos, you get ratings. Everything you need to make a decision fast. And here is why this matters. You can actually see places instead of just reading about them. The old way was boring. You had to read through paragraphs and then open maps anyway. Now you get decision ready info right away. Images plus ratings plus tips all in one place. And Gemini is not just chatting with you anymore. It is using real navigation data from maps. This is AI meeting real world information, and that is huge. When you type something like "find me coffee shops near me" into Gemini, it detects that you are looking for a place. Then it pulls data straight from Google Maps, and what you get is incredible. You get photo previews of each coffee shop, you get star ratings from real users, you get reviews and tips, all displayed in a clean visual format, no app switching, no extra steps. Everything you need is right there. And this is way more visual than before. You get more info faster. And you do not have to jump between apps like you used to. That saves time, that saves clicks, that makes decisions easier. Now, let me show you a real use case, because this is where it gets good. Say you search for best coffee near me. Gemini shows you visual cards for each place. You see the map, you see photos, you see review summaries. And here is the best part. You can tap on a photo to get more details. The star rating, that is pulled from real users on Google Maps. So, it is legit. You are not guessing, you are making decisions based on actual data. And if you are traveling or you are a foodie or you just need to find something local fast, this is a game changer. You get local discovery on steroids. AI plus maps equals real world decisions. No more scrolling through boring text results. You get everything visual and fast. And this beats regular search engines by a mile. Why? Because search engines still give you links. You click, you wait, you read, you go back, you click another link. It takes forever. With this Gemini update, you get everything in one view: photos, ratings, reviews, map. Done. You make your choice and you go. That is the power of AI combined with real world data. And this is just the beginning. Google is clearly pushing for stronger integration between AI and real world info. But let me give you some tips right now so you can start using this feature today. First, if you own a business, keep your Google Maps profile updated. Why? Because Gemini pulls data from maps. If your info is outdated, you lose customers. Simple as that. Make sure your photos are good. Make sure your reviews are recent. Make sure your hours are correct. This stuff matters more than ever now. Second, try these searches in Gemini, type best brunch spots nearby, or top places with more than 4.5 stars around me, or coffee shops open now near me. Watch what happens. You will see those visual cards pop up. You will see photos and ratings, and you will realize how powerful this is. And here is something most people are missing. This update is not just about finding food. You can use this for anything local. Need a gym? Search for it. Need a barber? Search for it. Need a hotel when you travel? Search for it. Gemini gives you the visual info fast. No more wasting time on 10 different websites. You get what you need in seconds. And if you are a local business owner, this is your wake-up call. Your Google Maps profile is now feeding into AI search. If you are not optimized there, you are invisible. And being invisible in AI search is way worse than being invisible in regular search, because AI is the future. People are using it more every single day. And if your business does not show up in these visual results, you lose. Let me tell you why this is bigger than you think. Google is merging AI with Maps data. That means they are grounding AI responses in real-world facts. This is not some made-up AI answer. This is real info from real places. And this is what people trust. When you see a 4.8 star rating with 200 reviews, you trust that. When you see photos of the inside of a restaurant, you trust that. AI is getting smarter, and it is getting more useful. And Google knows that if they can show you real world data inside AI, you will never leave their app. That is the play here. They want you to stay in Gemini. They want you to find everything you need without opening Safari or Chrome or Bing or anything else. And honestly, it is working. Now, if you run a local business, here's what you need to do right now. Go to your Google Maps profile, update your photos, make sure they are high quality, respond to reviews, get more reviews if you can, add details about your business, add your menu if you are a restaurant, add your services if you are not. This is free marketing and it feeds directly into Gemini now. If you ignore this, and if you are someone who just uses AI for everyday stuff, start using Gemini for local searches. It is faster than Google, it is more visual, and it gives you better results. Try it once and you will see what I mean. Here is another thing. This update hints at where AI is going. We are moving from text based AI to multimodal AI. That means AI that shows you images, videos, maps, and text all at once. And Google is leading this. They have the data, they have Google Maps, they have YouTube, they have search, they can pull everything together. And Gemini is the hub for all of it. So if you thought AI was just about chatting, think again. AI is becoming your personal assistant for the real world. It finds places, it shows you photos, it gives you directions, it summarizes reviews, it does everything. And this is just version 1. Imagine what version 2 looks like. Imagine what this looks like in a year. It is going to be insane. And for people in SEO and digital marketing, this changes the game too. Local SEO just became AI SEO. If your business does not show up in Gemini results, you are toast. You need to optimize for AI now. And that means focusing on your Google Maps profile. That means getting good reviews. That means having great photos. That means keeping your info accurate because Gemini is pulling from all of that. And if your competitors are doing this and you are not, they win. Simple as that. This is not optional anymore. This is required if you want to stay competitive. So, what is the big takeaway here? Gemini just got way more powerful. It is now the best tool for finding local places. It combines AI chat with Google Maps data. You get photos, ratings, reviews, and maps all in one place. No more app switching, no more wasted time. And this is the future of search.